In this video, I'll walk you through how to trade futures in the XT app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once you're inside the app, we can now go to the futures trading by simply going down here to futures. Then we get to this platform right here. First of all, you can see right here your available funds. If you don't see any here yet, just click on this plus and make sure to transfer it from your spot to your futures account. And if you don't have any money yet on your XT account, you first need to go down here to assets, click on deposit, choose a cryptocurrency, and then you can easily send crypto here. If you don't know how to do that, I have many more other tutorials on my channel where I show you how you can step-by-step deposit any money onto XT. Alright, so next up, let's take a look at the trading platform. First of all, in the top left, you can choose your trading pair. So you can see all these different coins that you can trade on here. I'm simply going to stick with Bitcoin for now. On the right side with this button, you can always take a look at the trading chart. So you can see up here, you can choose these different time frames and then always see what the price chart is doing. All right, let's go back right here. Next up, we have this control center in the middle. On the right side, we have the order book, and on the left side, we have our control center where we can open or close trades. We can choose our leverage, choose the order type, set the position size, or add a take profit and stop loss, and eventually go long or short. Right below it, we have this section where we will see our opened positions, which we'll get into in just a bit, as well as our open orders or our history. So let's open our first trade by going back up again, click on open. Right here, we're going to choose isolated, and for leverage, I'm simply going to go with a small 5x for now. Then down here, I'm going to choose market order to execute the order immediately at the current market price. And next up, I can choose the position size in here. I have different options. I can either choose it by the entire position size measured in Bitcoin or USDT, or contracts. Contracts not really useful, so either BTC or USDT makes sense in here. I personally prefer it in USDT. Or you could also set it by cost, which would mean how much of your own capital you're putting in this trade. I personally like this and USDT the most, because then I can simply go in here and say I want to open a $500 position size. And then I can still see how much I'm putting in of my own capital down here under margin, because under margin we can see we are using $100 of our own capital. But because we're using a 5x leverage times 5 will then equal the entire position size of $500. So that's how these three right here play together. And we can all see them at a glance. Next up, I can also add a take profit or stop loss if I want to do that, but just clicking here on this check mark. Then I could type in the prices in here or click on advanced. Then I can set it in even more detail. For example, I can choose in here to set it by P&L. So then I can just simply type in here, all right, my take profit, I want to make $40 of profit there. It will be automatically calculated that it will be at this price. Same goes for my stop loss, a maximum loss of, let's say, $15 or something. Then we can see that's at that price. Click on confirm. And we have that all set up in here. Next, I'm simply going to click open long right here. I can see everything again, click on confirm, and then I'm already in my trade. If I scroll down a bit again, I can also see here is my opened trade. I can see it's a long trade on Bitcoin with a 5x leverage. Here's my currently open profit or loss in dollars and as a percentage in here. I can see my position size, the $500, and my margin, the $100 of my own capital, as well as the entry price, the current price, and the liquidation price. Liquidation price means if our trade would go down to this price right here and we would not have a stop loss, we currently have one as you can see down here, but let's say we don't have a stop loss, then at this price right here, this position right here would be so-called liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin, our own capital in this trade right here. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by having a stop loss placed beforehand, which we did already down here. If you click on this pen icon right here, we can also modify that right here. So switch up any of these values in here, or of course also cancel it. And then at any time, if you go back down here on TPSL, just place a new one. That's also possible. Right, so finally, I also want to show you how you can increase and decrease your trade. First, how to increase, simply go up again, open market order. Let's say I want to add another $200 and do as if I would simply open a new trade. Click on open long. And then you will see it will be simply added onto the existing trade down here. And now the size is increased from $500 to $700, as well as the margin from $100 to $140. The other way around also works by just closing parts of your trade. If you want to decrease your position size, just go here to close, then choose how much percent or type in the value in dollars in here. Let's say I want to close 50% of the trade, confirm. Then you'll see we are now down to $360. And also our margin is now only half of what it was before. Last thing you can also edit later on is the leverage. So the 5x that we've put in here at the beginning is not set in stone forever. You can at any time just simply go down here onto your existing trade, tap the leverage, and then either increase or decrease your leverage. That's also possible at any time. If you want to close the entire trade, simply go down here to close, choose 100%, click on confirm, and then you're also out of your entire trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.